Hey guys, here's another Hurricane Sally damaged dock we pulled up on. We've already started some of the demo. Most of the decking on the 3-foot catwalks were broken loose, torn loose. It's kind of low, so what we're going to go back with is some salt treated material on the cross bracing and stainless steel bolts, which it looks like it's there now, but we'll go back with the proper material on the bottom. This whole deck actually came loose and was just floating up and down, trapped in between the pilings. We're going to demo that, take that all apart. Got another service walk, 3-foot service walk over here that got washed away. A little bit left up here in the bow of the boat. We're going to demo all of this, haul it off to Reclaim Center, and then we're going to go back and reframe the whole thing with stainless steel bolts. And we're going back with a Timber Tech teak, dark teak decking to match some of the decking they have up on the house, and also replace the top cap on the seawall here so it matches the dock as well. This is going to turn out to be a pretty nice project when it's all said and done. Going to look really good and sharp. Got a little bit of work to do on the boat lift too. The boat was left in the lift during the hurricane, and it pounded up and down against on these bunk boards here. So we'll do a little repair on the rubber on the bunk right here too. If we can't repair it, then we'll just replace it. Decking's coming together good. Y'all check this out. This is a lower step down paddleboard dock. This is going to be awesome. We'll be able to paddle right up to it without any pilings in the way. Get off the paddleboard and have them stored right there. They also got another area that we're building on the side over here. We'll be able to store the paddleboards right here. We're going to go ahead and extend the top cap down to the side over there, since the wall stops right there, and we'll be able to have a good defining point in their yard between their yard and this bamboo that keeps growing up. It's going to look really cool. Job's turning out really nice. Chasing guys always do an awesome job on the finished product. Change out the top cap. We had to add a couple furring strips on top of it. Actually full boards. The wall was a little bit snaky, so Chase added some framing on top of it, straighten the wall out, which is going to make it look a heck of a lot better. We went ahead and did picture frame style. A full trim board on the outside. We didn't rip it down like a lot of people do. This makes it look so much better. Good picture framed, and when you sit on the edge of it, hang your legs over, you don't have no sharp edges on the back of your knees or the back of your legs. This gives you a lot better finished product to look at. Did some black flat piling caps that the customer requested. I think it turned out looking really good. Prolong the life of these pilings so they don't get water rot down the center of them. And install some black bumpers on the front of it also. Looks really good. All fastened with stainless steel screws. See the detail and cuts they took going around these pipes here. Looks really good where it just kind of blends into the decking. Piling looks like it grew right out of the deck, or sat right on top of it. Here's the completed project of this. All the trims on, the new decking synthetic's been changed out. You can see the top cap, new top cap. We had to frame that up to level everything up because the wall was bowed a little bit. No sir, I need you to get in it. Tell me how happy you are. There you go. There you go. Little step down paddleboard ramp. Got access stairs on either side. Looks really cool. We've got an area over here where you store the paddle boards. Customer supplied the rack and we installed it for them, but built them a nice little deck area there for it. We extended the seawall top cap down here so he can fill this area right here where he can maintain his yard and give him a defining point of where his yard is. Got the black caps installed on the pilings. Mike, are you camera shy or not?
No.
Good.
Get this cleaned up.
I love how we changed the direction of the decking right here so you can kind of see where the step down is. You get right here, all the decking kind of blends together and a lot of people trip over it, so we change the direction, gives it a nice easy area to step down. Another beautiful installation by DMC. Did a little step on the back, so when the boat's in the lift, he can actually walk up the steps and get into his boat, so you don't have to lower the boat down. And that's when you know your dock has been built correctly, when you see the stamp of approval right there on the side. Have a lot of customers actually ask for that. Cool, man. And there's the bird's eye view of the project. This turned out really good. You can see the top cap decked out, all new decking and framing and bolts on the dock. Beautiful installation. We'll be able to enjoy this for many years. Let me film back, and here's the customer, Mr. Smith. What do you think, Mike?
Dale, you did a fantastic job. Chase and his crew did a fantastic job finishing all the carpentry. Dale's Marine Construction is the best.
Thank you very much. And this is a non-solicited non-paid commercial. Hey guys, thanks for checking out my page and watching my videos. I appreciate them. I get a lot of comments from you guys, and I try to answer all the ones that I can. Just be patient, I'll get back with you. But if you would like the page, subscribe. If you got anything you want to see, just leave me a comment there and I'll try to get them posted for you. Thank you guys.